Welcome to BVG Automotive. Here we're introducing the Audi A6 2-liters 40 Sport S Tronic, a car built for comfort, technology, and efficiency. At the front, the A6 features Audi's signature single-frame grille, LED headlights, and a streamlined design that gives it a modern look. The sharp lines and sculpted bonnet add to its road presence. On the side, the A6 has a sleek design with chrome window accents and flush door handles. It sits on 18-inch alloy wheels, adding to its refined look and smooth ride. At the rear, the LED taillights are designed for clear visibility, and the sculpted bumper gives it a refined look. This Audi A6 comes with a full service history, a 12-month MOT, and a comprehensive warranty for peace of mind. It is HPI clear. Powered by a 2.0 TDI engine, the A6 delivers great performance through a 7-speed S Tronic automatic gearbox. Different driving modes allow you to adjust performance and comfort to suit your journey. Inside, the A6 offers a well-designed cabin with premium materials. The door panels have integrated controls for windows and mirrors, along with a high-quality speaker system. The leather seats are heated and adjustable for added comfort, while the steering wheel has built-in controls for media, navigation, and cruise control. The center console features Audi's MMI Navigation Plus touchscreen, while the virtual cockpit provides real-time driving data and navigation. The back seats offer premium leather upholstery with generous legroom. Rear air vents and ISOFIX points provide comfort and convenience for passengers. The boot provides plenty of space, making it practical for daily use or longer journeys. For more information, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call our sales team on 0161 399 1629, quoting registration FV70KVG.